Well, I just got done building the Champion 37 ton, and it's model number 100330. Here's the crate it came in. Oh, there's my paperwork there. I need that. Yeah, so there's a couple of things, design flaws on here that they could have done better. Okay, see the motor here? There's 4 bolts, and there's 2 of them there. The other 2 are way down in there. You see the engine, the room you have in there to get in there? Let me see if I can see that bolt down there. So they're supposed to go from the bottom up. I could not get it from the bottom up. So I had to go from the top down. Now, as far as for Champion, now you guys need to make it so you could thread the bottom of the motor and go from the bottom up. Why do you want to make it so you have to fight that little cramped space? I called customer support, and he even said, he goes, I'm sorry, it's just really tough. He says, it's not impossible, so, you should be able to do it, but it's not impossible, but we know it's tough. Had no hints as to how to get in there. Well, on this side, facing it, on the left side, that bolt was hard, but easier than this one, okay? Finally, okay, what I did is I had to take the wheel off, and then I barely got a wrench on there, and then I went in from the bottom and used my impact gun there and zipped it on. But I spent over 2 hours messing with those bolts, and that was kind of irritating. I was looking forward, I was happy with it. It was crated up nice, and it's nice. There's a couple little dings here, and there's one there. I don't know how I got that, but you couldn't see that when I uncrated it. I might ask him for some touch-up paint or something. I'm not going to bitch too heavy about that. But, yeah, that's the fix. You go in from the bottom with a bolt, and they need to thread the bottom of the motor. So you just go right into the threads. This is stupid the way they have it set up. It's just asinine. So anyway, I'm real happy with it. I just filled it with fluid and oil, and then I put Dextron 2 transmission fluid because we get below 0 here, and I used full synthetic 530 for the oil. So anyway, that's enough bitching. I don't mean to bitch about it, but man, that really pissed me off, to have to fight those last 2 bolts. So yeah, so as far as it goes, Champion, the company, thread the bottom of that motor so you could run the bolts up from the bottom. For Christ's sake, it's an easy fix, Okay. I'll let you go, everybody. I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to start it up. And I'm going to purge the air out of the hydraulic system and then top it off. That's my next move. So, and I was able to put this this whole thing together by myself. I used my my tractor with the forks and some purple lifting straps, and I picked it straight up. So all I had to do was back the hitch into it, and then you put one bolt, that bolt right there, you put one bolt through it, and now that slides. When you pick it up, it slides forward and backwards, so anyway, and there's the pin to hold it down right there. Anyway, I'm looking forward to I gotta move my tractor so I can get it outside, and I'm gonna fire it up. Happy days.